Guys, this is React Coder. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to present a React.js project structure that you can use on your project to be better scalable, even if it is a small or big project. The project structure is component scalable, and using it you will feel less overwhelmed when the project is growing. I'm working with the React and Next.js, TypeScript and styled components. So basically what we have are folders well separated. On adapters, we place all the adapters using an application. I'm using an adapter pattern here. I have an Reactjs adapter for our HTTP client, so I create this adapter because if later I decide to change the library, the Reactjs, I will just make some minor changes in adapter to match the interface of the HTTP client, and I will make no changes in the other files that are related to HTTP requests. In the assets folders, we place all the files like images, icons, fonts using in our application. On the components folder, we have an atomics components that are simple components that perform simple behaviors like buttons, avatars, and these components combined create molecules component, and there are more complex ones, and this folder plays components like a navy bar, hero session, cards, tables component, and we have a layout where I create the structure of the page. In this file you can add the navy bar, the sidebar, or the footer or the footer, or the other components that make a part of the structure of the page application. And we have a folder constant that plays our constant values using in our application. We have a folder context that plays all the contexts that are state user that place all the context files. These contexts are state user in a lot of components to avoid prop drilling. For example, we have a user context. Here we can have an authentication context or other type of context, or other type of context. And hooks folder, we have all the hooks that are reusable, like this one, use toggle, that perform behavior of show and hide, and give a toggle function that perform that behavior. This hook is used in a lot of components like a button, a menu, and others components that need that kind of behavior. By default, Next.js comes with the pages folder that places all the pages rooted in our application. On the service, we place all service and function that make a request from our API or other service, and those service use our adapter. And we have a folder called TypeScript where we place all interface and type of entities used in our application, so we can have a unique type of interface in the application. For example, we have an interface of user right here, so we can use it in everywhere of our application if it's needed. We have a folder called utils. Here we place all the functions that are utils for our application, like converting something, formatting strings, making calculus and some stuffs like that. We have an further colored views on that where we place the component that serves the pages. Imagine if you have an application with a lot of modules, you can place those modules here, and later they can be separated in an application for each module. For example, we have an admin module and a client module. We use some molecules component to create this page. We use our page structure or page layout that we create, and this view is ready to be this view is ready to serve the page for the dashboard, as you can see. And so that's all that I have to present to you guys. Feel free to ask, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you like, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to see more contents like that. See you soon.